This is my Lady in Purple junk journal. It measures 6.5 inches by 9 inches, and it has a 2-inch spine. The cover is a faux leather cover in a cordovan color, and it's got a little hint of sparkle on it. It has some raised images, some raised flourishes on the spine and on the front cover and on the back cover. I've used metal corners on all 4 of the corners. This journal has 4 signatures and 120 pages. I have attached these signatures to the spine, to the rounded spine, using the hidden pamphlet stitch, and I've used a lot of lace accents on this album. So let's get to it. I don't know where I've gotten my digital images from. I made this summer and I can't remember where they all came from. So you'll have to bear with me. Again, I've used lace as some accents on this journal, and we have a digital image with a little heart cut out, and a little booklet, and this tuck spot. I've used designer paper, I've used book pages, I've used dictionary pages, I've used just a variety of pages in this book. And again, this little butterfly cutout here also. Little lace accents on that page. I love my little vintage ladies. Little tag there. And some washi tape. And we have one of these little opportunities for journaling, for secrets or things of that nature. And again, we have another little corner tuck with the journaling opportunity. A little page from a children's book, ledger sheets. And we have some key and lock dangles on this, a little bit of stamping, die-cut flourishes, more of the little vintage-looking ladies. I love this from that little children's book. Little belly band and an envelope made from one of the pages from the children's book that I tucked under that belly band. And we have some stamping. We have a little envelope here and a little tiny tag on that envelope with some lace on it, and a little altered paper clip with that journaling card. And again, the back of that clip, journaling card, washi tape. And this is an envelope that provides an area for 2 tucks, one here and one here. And again, we have some lace accents on that page. And a little tuck spot, a little die cut on that tuck spot. And digital download. Fussy cut ladies, designer paper. And this is a functioning cabinet card. You can put pictures or whatever. And this has a cutout in it. These are some playing cards that I downloaded from the internet. I'm not sure where I got those either. And this is another tuck spot with a journaling card. A little flip out. And there's a journaling card in that. And a tag. A couple of little journaling cards. And that. Some stamping washi tape. This is one of those vintage linens that I purchased from Little Bindy's Etsy shop. And this is some dry embossing. Another one of those book pages, a belly band with another envelope from the book page. And a tag. tablet paper, digital download, with some opportunities for journaling. And more up, and this is the lock and key dangle. And again, more opportunities for journaling with those. Digital download, tablet paper, book page, more of the dry embossing and some washi tape. This is a Fussy Cut Lady and one of those vintage linen images on that page. Stamping, a word stick, and a little journaling card. This has some embossing on it. Another one of those vintage linen images. Made that into a tuck spot. That's a thesaurus page. Another little tuck spot. Cabinet card. Designer paper Fussy Cut. This is a little paper doll. A little bit of tea dyeing and coffee dyeing, not much, but a little bit. Use that little paper doll as a tuck spot. Another cabinet card. Photos. And again, we have some dry embossing on this page. And a digital download. This is one of those vintage linen, and I did do some embossing on that. Tuck spot. Book page. Little cabinet card. Functional cabinet card. Vintage linen image. Music page. And I did some embossing on this page. Tuck spot, thesaurus page, and a cabinet card, another cabinet card, and dry embossing and some washi, another tuck spot. I love this picture from that children's book. And a little tag, and journaling opportunities, areas for journaling, and another digital download and a flip out. This has a tag, and it has a journaling card on the inside. And another cabinet card, designer paper. I love this. This image came from the book too, and I love that image. This has a tag in it. A little girl with her little kitty cats. And this was a digital download. Little Fussy Cut Lady. Ledger paper. Love my little vintage ladies. An envelope with a journaling card in it. Tuck spot. There's a tag. Little lace accents. And I've done some dry embossing on this. Washi tape. I love this picture from that book also. Tuck spot there. Dictionary pages. Little banner tuck spot. This little tuck spot has a word stick and a couple of journaling cards, little tiny journaling cards. Things like this. And we have the key and lock dangles. Planner cards. And we have a little Fussy Cut vintage lady on a altered paper clip. cabinet card. This is a belly band, and again, these images came from that book, and I don't remember the name of the book. Cabinet card. Washi tape, a little interest. And here we have a little booklet inside a little tuck spot. Lace accent. This is a little booklet. This is a word card inside this little tuck spot. Little flourish. These are interactive tags. And we have a tag in there. Ledger card with some die cut flourishes. Another fussy cut lady on a digital download. And again, I've used some of the lace as an accent. I really enjoyed making this album. I love the way this cover looked. I really love this technique for making faux leather. And I love the way these raised elements worked out on this junk journal. This junk journal needs a forever home. Thank you for watching.